Hello everyone! Welcome back. In our previous videos, we created our first Streamlit application and learned how to run it. Today, we'll learn how professional developers organize their Streamlit projects. As your applications grow, you'll start adding images, icons, datasets, PDFs, and many other files. If everything is placed randomly, your project becomes difficult to manage. So today, we'll organize everything step by step. Let's get started. Right now, our project only contains one file called app.py. That's completely fine for a small project. But imagine you're building a password generator, BMI calculator, QR code generator, or PDF merger. Soon, you'll have many different files. So let's organize everything properly. Suppose you have a logo for your application. Never place the image randomly inside the project. Instead, create a folder called Images. Now move your image inside this folder. For example, images/logo.png. This makes your project much cleaner. Now write st.image images/logo.png. Run app. Image appears. Notice that we don't just write logo.png because the image is inside the images folder. That's why we write images/logo.png. This is called the file path. Now create another folder. Data. Voice. Imagine your application reads information from a CSV file. Instead of keeping it beside app.py, create a folder named Data. Now place students.csv inside it. Many developers also create an Assets folder. This folder stores things like icons, logos, background images, animations, videos, basically everything related to the design of your application. Now look at our project. Everything has its own place. Anyone opening this project can immediately understand where every file is stored. This is exactly how professional developers organize their projects. In the next video, we'll learn how Streamlit runs our application behind the scenes and understand the complete workflow of the Streamlit run command. See you in the next lesson. Happy coding!